Now we're doing number 16. It says Leslie and some friends are going to a concert for her birthday. They hire an Uber for $19 to drive them to a restaurant for dinner, and then another Uber for $17. To get them to the concert at the restaurant, the total cost of the meal is $128. They divide the $36 cost of the Ubers equally. However, since it's Leslie's birthday, her friends did not make her pay for the restaurant. The friends divide the cost of the restaurants equally among themselves. If each friend spends a total of $20, how many friends went to the concert with Leslie? So we're gonna use average equals cost over people plus cost over people. So it's 20. That's our average. And then our cost, and it said that they were charged $17 plus the 19. That equals $36. So we're gonna put 36 up there, and we're gonna do x plus 1. Now for the dinner, the restaurant for Leslie's birthday was 128. So we put 128, and then we only put x. So now we go to our calculator, but in my situation, let me see, I don't have a calculator with me, so we're going to use decimals. So we're going to put F20 equals, right? Because that's our average. Now we're going to plug in our other information, which was 36 for the Uber. Make that into a fraction, and you put x plus 1. We can already see it's getting ready right here, and then we put a plus 128, and then just x. So we come over here, we see this 20, and we come to this point, and we see right there that it's 8. So obviously we're talking about persons, so we round off and we leave it as 8. So the correct answer for this is that the total friends that went for Leslie's birthday was 8 people, 8 friends. So we put that 8 is the answer. But now I'm going to give an example of a new problem. Okay, and I'm going to use this from the ACP benchmark, which is a problem just like this one, and we're going to figure it out. And let's see. It says Matthew and some friends are going to a concert. They hire a car service for $75 to drive them to a restaurant for dinner, and then to the concert. They divide the $60 cost of the dinner equally. However, since Matthew's dad provided concert tickets for the group, the friends agree that Matthew doesn't have to help pay for the car service. The friends divide this cost equally among themselves. If each friend spends a total of $25, how many friends went to the concert with Matthew? So now in the last problem we had $20. But now we have a new average. So we use the same thing. I just wrote this down for myself, like $75 to drive to dinner. That's how much they were charged. And then $60 for dinner. So we have our average, our cost over people plus cost over people. So now we know it's 25 equals to 75. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold the camera and write 75 over x plus 1 plus our $60, and then just x. And then we do the same thing. We come to our calculator, or for my decimal, let me just delete that. We start the same thing. F25, remember, new average, because that's what the information that's giving. Now we plug in the information again. It was $75, and then x plus 1. It's already getting ready here again, plus $60 over x. Now we come here and we see where 25 hits in the graph, and it says 5. So like I said, we round off because we're talking about persons, people, and it's 5. So now we come to our answer choices, and as you already see, we have 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I already have circled 5 as our answer. So that is how you solve these type of problems.